Today we are going to be talking about how to set up our Outrigger message board. After using the tongue jack to lift the tongue of the trailer off of the hitch, you will need to extend the Outrigger supports. Make sure to use the safety pin to make sure that the Outrigger corner supports stay locked in place. After extending the support, pull the pin on the jack while turning it to put it into the support position. After the jack is locked in the vertical position, use the crank on the top of the jack to extend the leg out. Repeat this process for all four corners of the message board. When extending the jack legs out, make sure all four corners work cohesively so that the message board sits level. Our message boards come with cushioned display stabilizers that make sure the display stays in place while in transportation. The taillights of the trailer are recessed into the frame of the trailer to keep them protected. You can even get your message board outfitted with a radar. To raise and lower your message board, locate this waterproof clear box on the inside of the frame of the trailer. There will be two buttons. To raise the message board, simply hit the up button. To lower the message board, simply hit the down button. Once the message board is raised up, make sure that the display brake is unlocked and you can spin your message board freely to the desired position to face traffic. Once you've spun your message board to the desired direction, make sure you reapply the display brake and also make sure it locks into place. Once your message board is in place, you can then input your custom message or one of our pre-made messages on the board. To find out how to program the message board, check the operating manual that came with the unit or download it off of our website. Before leaving the message board, make sure that all safety pins are in place, the display brake is applied, and that you have locked your control box. Thanks for watching, and check out more of our videos on our YouTube and our website at K&K Systems.com.